Morning, neighbors. Today, you know, Ava over there being cute. Today we're going to do the potting, transfer our jacaranda and Spanish elm and guava and breadfruit to their new pots. Say hi. Right, so I'm going to do that quickly and let them start settling into their new temporary home. Right, so that's how we're going to kick off this week. Hope you are doing good. Or by the time you're seeing this, would have been far advanced into the week. So I hope your week has been going good. Why are you showing them your shoes for? You going to help Daddy? You giving them a kiss? What? Give them a kiss. Alright. Hi Edie, you want to say morning? Say morning, say morning. Tell them hi. Or you want to say yourself? She's walking around to see herself in and say hi. Give them a kiss. Alright, let's get planted. Yes, I want these ones. Come on. I'm gonna help me today, you know. Come with them, come. So I think we need about, I don't know, probably 8. I can't really remember. So we're going to put out 8. 1, 2, 3. It's like it's 2, so yeah, this is 2. Oh, whoa. 3, 4. So this is 4. And this paper is going to get 4 too, Edie. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, high five. High five. Remember I told you in the last vlog that there was we got a bag of soil, but it was like it was surgically stitched. This is it I'm going to unravel now, because to me this was sewn together like it shouldn't have come apart. So this is our box. Remember the box from Sunday? So we're going to start with Mr. Guava himself. Yes. Guava himself. Step back, baby. So I'm not sure how we're going to do this. Pretty straightforward, alright? Put some soil, put this in, and put more soil. Any tips you have, guys, please drop it in the comments. You're on this journey with us, so don't bother talk behind our backs. Let us know up front what we can do to improve the chances of success for these lovely children that are called plants. Alright, that should put a little more, don't? No. So everybody has their pot now. But I realize how the soil from forest department is very rich in color, very dark. I hope, well, and Look how this one look very lush and rich. It just look rich. But they're all in the pots. Now we're going to just get them properly in. So everybody has a home. Don't touch, baby, don't touch. Alright? Getting them properly in. And that is it now. I feel like a real scientist. Horticulturist, agriculturist, agronomist. All the is that associated with this kind of thing. You can be anything you want to be. That's encouragement. With God, you can be anything you want to be. Actually, bust a sweat doing this, but I'm pleased. I think we did a good job, right, guys? Yes, we did a good job. Let me show you the end result right about now. I'm excited about this. I'm so excited about what's going to happen with this. I think this is jacaranda number 1, jacaranda number 2. I don't know. Actually, I think this is jacaranda, but it cannot be. These two cannot be the same things. So I don't know what is jacaranda. This is Spanish elm. Don't know. Probably jacaranda. Spanish elm again, I'm sure, because you can see the similarity here. Not sure. Which trees did we get? Oh, we have so much of this. Which one is this again? We have a lot of this one. We have 4 of this. These ones right here. So this is jacaranda. This is jacaranda. I'm sure we only got 2 jacarandas. They're looking very good. These 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't remember what it is. But I soon tell you. This is guava. I'm leaving Mr. Breadfruit in his bag for now. Just gonna give them some water and then leave them here for a while. I'll figure out a place to keep them by the end of the day, but they can stay here for a while. Just remember, Pride of Barbados. The 4 is Pride of Barbados. Yeah. Yeah, so that is it. We are in business now. Want to make sure that the soil was draining properly, because it's important that the plants get air and all these things, and the soil is well drained. And it's good. Take a look. Just to get a little moisture in so they can get, acclimatized to their new home. Alright, a little moisture. Alright, everybody. So we're out. Mission accomplished. The journey begins. Good morning, Bruno. Do not trouble the plants. Do you hear me? Let me hear you say ruff, ruff. Alright. Now we drew for the lady herself, the horticulturist, the chief horticulturist.
Not at all. Wow.
You should throw those melon seeds somewhere to maybe it will grow.
Maybe. I see somebody, a couple of people were saying that we should have planted the apple seeds that we.
Yeah, I saw that they're easy to grow. But yeah, I tried. I didn't do too much watering. But they look like them plant proper, right? Look solid.
They look so.
What I was saying is that you see the soil is like some really rich soil that they had, because it's so black and rich.
Oh.
You can see the difference.
Yeah. And the one that we bought at the store. But I mean, I expect that they would have good potting soil.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm excited. I'm looking forward to.
But we need to know.
In the ground,
we need to know. They have different needs though. Who need sun? Who need water?
Well, all of these. Remember the
all them need
forestry
direct
department
sunlight.
Was saying that all of these require full sun.
You heard that?
Yes.
Oh, good thing you're listening.
Yes.
Including they didn't say any. We never heard for guava and breadfruit.
No man, full sunlight.
You heard that?
Yes.
Okay.
They
No, but you heard that we were at the Barbican Beach. We never got the guava and the breadfruit at Barbican Beach.
Oh, for the Pride of Barbados, the Spanish elm
and the jacaranda, right? Those made
full sunlight.
Okay.
Yes.
The breadfruit and guava.
The breadfruit and guava, maybe because of the time of year, we're entering the dry season now. So we're in the dry season. So maybe they'll be here. We can probably keep them, in an area where the sunlight is maybe not so strong. But yeah, I don't.
And watering, we need to figure out the watering too.
Yeah, we just check on the soil. I'll see.
It shouldn't be as hard as the flowering plant because it's tree live outside. What's up?
Yeah man, there are trees, and as far as I know, all of these are fairly drought tolerant.
Right. I think I did a good job.
Yeah, so we could try once a week watering maybe. And then after that we see how they respond.
But let's show them what's happening on this tree.
Oh no, please no babe.
It's a very Tina begging for you. This is a very mature tree. And look what's happening here.
Why you must do this to the people?
It's that time of year again where I do videos with this lovely background
with the mango tree.
And there are lots of East Indian from so early. I'm actually surprised. I just hope there's no strong breeze, because the last time the breeze blew off a whole heap of them when they were green.
Yeah. This tree had to undergo some rigorous
this is the here side of it.
limbing.
Oh yeah, but it come back strong.
We had to trim several branches because of termites. It had to be treated for termites. The branches that were affected had to be, some of them were cut right off. So we have less. I'm surprised that the side of the tree that has this tree
Engrafting.
it has some engrafted on it. I think it is probably East Indian engrafted onto a
common
mango, a hairy mango rootstock or whatever it was. So it was engrafted. So half of the tree gives us hairy and the next half give us East Indian. So the side that was affected by the termites was the East Indian side. Look at that.
That is my side.
Jeez.
Tina's side is this side.
What?
The hairy side.
Why?
I'm the East Indian side.
What? I think it should be the other way around. I am the East Indian. I am the East Indian.
You're the Indian. Why they may ripe so small?
Yeah.
Hope it's not a sign of the fluxy mango.
But look how, but see, it has blossoms all the way up in the top. And
yeah.
Yeah. I wish the tree well. I wish it well, but I'm surprised that it's after the stress that it went through with the termites and so many of the branches having to be taken off it, that it is actually doing so well. So that it's producing blossoms and fruit. Good for us.
Yeah.
At least for one more season that we're here.
Last final goodbye.
This will probably be the last mango season that we're at this
For sure.
house.
Not the last time we're getting mangoes from the house, but
No, for sure. We'll be coming back here. And we'll have plenty of mangoes of our own.
right.
But do we have any East Indian mango though? But I plant one East Indian and one Julie mango at very least. I love my Julie. Yeah, anyway, stop tormenting the poor people.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Make him stop tormenting.
But speaking of tormenting, no, let me not segue that way. There's a new road traffic act in Jamaica, and I'm not going to say that the police and the government is tormenting us, because they really aren't. As a matter of fact, it has been too long for this new legislation to be passed and, you know, to start being enforced. But the thing is that the fines have moved from some dibby money to some nice change. And for me personally, it is a major deterrent, and so I am hoping it would serve the same purpose to other people. So if you were speeding before and it used to cost you $2,000 to go over the speed limit by 20 kilometers per hour, now it's going to be around $10,000 for the same offense. So they've basically, in some cases, doubled, tripled. I've seen some cases is almost 10 times what it used to be. It is now, that's the new fine. The new fine is almost 10 times. But just from observation on the road, this morning I was carrying Leila and Zahra to school, and somebody overtake a line of traffic, 2 taximen actually, coming overtake line of traffic in front of me, then pass for like a half a minute, then zoops out again and gone. And Tina was driving on our way back, and a taximan just stopped bloop in front of her, and she there mumbling to herself, and I watched her and she just like, taximan, I was like, what happened to you? Taximan just stopped. So for some people, I don't think it really matters. But anyway, let me know your views on the new Road Traffic Act, how you see it, if you think it's a good thing, or if you think the government is trying to make some money, which nothing is wrong with that, because countries need money to run, right? Yeah, country don't run on anything but money. So them collect dollars, and they may save some lives, because people may say the fines are too much and they'll just abide. That's what we're going for, I believe. So neighbors, until next video, drive good, drive safe, walk good. We'll see you again soon. Alright, bye bye.